Got a sudden cough? Here are quick remedies that can help calm it down in just a few minutes. 1. Sip warm water or tea with honey and lemon. It soothes your throat instantly. 2. Try steam inhalation. Breathe in warm steam to loosen mucus and ease irritation. 3. Gargle with salt water. It reduces throat inflammation and calms coughs. 4. Sit upright. Lying flat can make coughing worse. These hacks work for mild coughs, but if your cough is severe or lasts more than a week, see a doctor. Stay healthy, stay strong. Follow King's Health for more quick tips.